Hi! In this video, I'll teach you how to lock and unlock keyboard in Windows 10. So the first step we need to take is we need to head over and open a notepad right here in order to test this out. Then from in there, just click on the search settings right here and search for on-screen keyboard. So let's open that, and then as you can see, it will open like this. So let's click on our notepad right here and let's try to type something. So as you can see, we have typed something. So if we want to lock our on-screen keyboard, what we need to do is we just need to long press shift right here for 8 or more seconds. So let's do that. And then after we wait it out for 8 seconds, we should be able to see a beep and we should be able to see a filter on, and we should be able to turn off from there. However, if that doesn't work, what we need to do is we need to head over to our settings and search for in here for settings. So from in here, we can just head over and search in here for keyboard. So let's click on the show our results and then just scroll down until we can see this ease of access keyboard settings. And then let's click on this right here to turn this off. So we can also see a lock key. So we can also see this use filter keys. So let's turn this on in order to do that. So once you have turned this off, the on-screen keyboard, you can now freely use your physical keyboard in this. So in order to unlock that, just click on right here and we should be able to use it again. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to lock and unlock keyboard in Windows 10. If you have questions or comments, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer them. Thanks!